right, guys, gonna get things started here catching our bait. I want to go over my favorite way to catch them down here. And not a lot of people, when you notice, if you will come down here to Florida Keys, really anywhere where you're fishing bridges, structure, docks, reefs, you do not see a lot of people fishing jigging spoons. This is our HAAT spoon. Really the 3/8, ½ ounce, 3/4, and 1 ounce for really good down here with the Gamakatsu EWG 2X hook. You need that 30-pound fluorocarbon leader. I've got like a medium action rod that I bought down here because one of my other rods got pulled in. And I'm using, you know, you've heard me talk a lot about them, is the Carbon X 2000 and 3000. This is a 3000, holds a lot of line, super smooth drag. It's got the carbon drag. I've used these in freshwater, saltwater, and ice fishing. They hold up very, very well, and they're priced really, really well. So check them out. If you guys want to buy one of these and save yourself 15%, hit the code in the description and the link below, EH15, save yourself 15%. Pick up one of the reels, come down here. You can come down here in a flat bottom, a kayak, canoe, or even shore fishing. This rig works really great from all of these bridges. You need a bridge net, but ripping jigging spoons, guys, you'll see is gonna work to catch our bait. And then we're gonna show you the easiest way to have fun down here catching big shark, but we gotta catch our bait first. Here we go. Way out here, to the right, 80 feet to the right, 80 feet.
Oh, there they are. Big school.
Come on, we're both doubled up. Just like that. That's how we're getting our bait. Come on up here, Andy. Come on up. That's how we get our bait. Fresh shark bait. Ah, yes, Andy, I love it. We're gonna shark
right here, right on mine still. Come on. Oh, I'm back.
Here, I got mine. You got yours? There's one. Shark bait. Top water is so much fun. You want me to net them or no? You good?
I just gotta get them up.
Good ones. These are so much fun. We need that shark bait, Andy. We need that shark bait, Andy.
Come on.
It's gonna come off, Andy. Yes, Andy, we got fresh shark bait. All right. Perfect. Top water blow-ups. So much fun, guys. Just come along these bridges. Just work top water baits right in the shadow line or in the eddy. It is the most exciting, fun blow-ups you are gonna ever have. I'm telling you. Big jacks.
Neutral, 75. Shut the motor off, right?
Yeah. On! Oh my God! On! Oh, right here, Andy. Right here. Yeah, getting shark bait, Andy. Let's go! Yes! But for the most part,
right now he thinks he's a fucking giraffe.
let's try it with a gill. Okay?
Oh, there they are.
Can you open that live oak real quick?
70 feet.
Right there, 75 feet, right up there. On! Let's go!
Oh, I didn't get hooked up.
How are you not on right now?
I don't know, they're like 40 feet right here. I see them right all underneath me. Right here.
Look at them all, guys. See them all? Look at them all. 40 feet. Right in front of the boat, right here. Yes. See him? Or no? All right, hop on that bomb. I'll take over.
One. Come on. Oh, big shark.
Oh, yeah, big shark. Oh boy. Oh boy. Shit's about to go down, Andy. See him, guys? Right here. Oh yeah. That's a nice bull, Andy. That's a 350. A 350 or 300. Yeah. We found them, Andy. We had to look a little bit, but we found them. They are right in front of me here, 55 to 70. Come on.
Oh, little one. Little guy was on it.
Oh my God! Oh, big jack! Giant! Giant jack. That's a big one. That was epic. This is a big one. What is this? Is it something else? Is this like a cobia or something?
Can you not see it?
No,
You want to start a big motor?
yeah. I don't even know what this is. It's huge. Just want to see him. Big jack. Just a jack. Just a big jack. Just a big giant jack. Oh my God, that's a big one though, Andy. It's huge. It's probably my PB. It's a giant jack, you guys. I'll put some pressure on him now. Now that I see what it is. Oh yeah. Holy shit, Andy. Big jack. Wait. One more time.
Ready?
Wait, and yeah.
Nope.
All right, nope. Swing forward.
Nope.
Yep, there you go.
Wow, that thing's huge.
Yes, it is. Yes!
Huge.
Giant jack. Oh my God. What? The frick? That just happened.
Oh my
what?
God, that is huge.
My biggest jack ever. Holy shit. No wonder it fought so crazy.
That's big.
Hell yeah, dude. That's some shark bait.
That's big.
I need a pliers and some pictures.
Players.
Do plus. Are you doing +5? Yeah.
That's big.
All right. Good. Thank you. Oh. Oh my
Yeah, that's
God.
better.
Holy.
Even the colors turned out better. All that blood. Dude, that thing's enormous.
Yeah, it is. Okay guys, so here's the deal. We have decided to anchor up here, and it's just a shallow flat. I really think all you got to do is get bait. From my experience, I am not a shark expert by any means. We've only got really one decent shark rod. Should probably go with a conventional reel or a big level wind reel, but we've got one big spinning rod, 100-pound test, 200, 300-pound long leader, big circle hook. What we're gonna do is put a balloon or two out. We're gonna chum the area right behind me. I'll start chumming it. I can already see sharks behind me and a shark in front of me here. There's sharks all around us. So we're gonna start chumming it up. And look at this one, Andy, right in front of us right now. See him right here? Yep. Just swimming right by. I don't think it's gonna take too long, Andy. There's one there. There's one right behind us, swimming right out here. These are nice bulls too. Oh, there's another one here, dude. Here we go. Here we go. They are here, guys. I see like 3 or 4 sharks right behind us right now. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Here we go. I'm gonna start chopping up fish guts and chump. Move all this stuff out of the way. Here we go. Oh, we're gonna get one on.
Can't see it? Yes.
Time to go chase a shark, guys. Time to go chase a shark. We are on, guys. We are on. Is he on this side or that side?
This side right now. Right here, right here.
Guys, Andy's battling a giant shark. I'm flying the drone right now. Trying to, at least. Before the battery dies.
Pull me away from the bridge if you can.
Forward or backwards?
Kind of maybe go out that way.
All right.
Well, he's going forward. He's going away. He's going away. That's how you keep going forward.
All right, Andy. What do we got? What do we got? Big bull.
You might want to take this
Yep.
net.
That's the line.
Want to move the net?
Nope. There he is. I need one more glove on.
There.
I need one more glove. Big shark, guys. Look at this big shark. Look at that big shark. Oh. There he goes. Broke the leader line. That was awesome. We got to re-rig, get back at it. Ooh, that hurt. Ready, Andy?
Huh?
Are you sure?
As ready as I'm going to be. You're going to have to excuse me, guys. As soon as the Eric hooks up, I'm going to have to put the phone down for a second. Just to,
I'll do it. I'll do it.
To get the anchor?
Yep. Oh, shit. We're wrapped up, Andy.
Gotta get the bait in.
We're wrapped around the tip. We do not want to start the live video like that. Okay, here is my bobber. This is my float. It's a balloon.
right, I see one right behind you.
Bait.
Shouldn't take long. There she is.
Here he comes.
Oh,
He's got it.
Here goes the balloon.
Yeah, hang on. We're on. Oh, that's a big one, Andy. That's a big one. That's a giant. Okay. Anchor up, Andy. Anchor up.
There.
Anchor up. Here we go. Here we go. We're going reverse. Yeah.
Reverse?
Yeah, go ahead. Actually, turn the boat around and go forward and chase him.
Just hold on.
Yep. Whoa!
You hold on both hands.
Go ahead, I got it. Go ahead, go ahead, go. Go, go. Go ahead, you got it, go, quick. We gotta go check. Oh, he's way over there. Yeah, I'm going up front. Take the phone. I got a reel, take the phone. Is it facing the wrong way or no?
No, we're good.
Okay, stop, neutral. Forward, forward, go, go, go. That way, go, to the right.
Whoa.
We're good. It's a giant, dude.
Look like it.
It's a giant. He's right here.
All right.
Oh, it's a giant. Yeah, neutral.
Neutral.
Here he is, right here. Look at that big
Right
boy.
down there.
Ah! Be ready on the motor, Andy, because he's gonna go through.
He's gonna go.
He's gonna go.
Which one?
Hold on.
We're getting close to the...
Yep.
All right, I want to go forward.
Straight, straight. Go right a little bit. Hard left, hard left.
No, I can't.
Reverse, go reverse. Wait, forward, 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 forward.
All right.
Keep coming forward. Right, 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 right. Good job, straight, straight. Great job, Andy.
All right.
Great freaking job, Andy.
Well, made that for a second.
Ah!
Let's keep him out of there.
Yeah, keep going left a little bit.
Left?
Perfect, perfect. Straight ahead,
There's
just
a
like
buoy
that.
right there.
Just try to drag him.
Yeah, drag him out of here.
Ah! Ah!
Hold on, Eric.
I'm trying, Andy. I'm trying. These ain't walleyes, Andy. These ain't walleyes. Oh, get Andy. Ah! We got. This is a big one, dude.
Yeah.
Yep, just nice and slow.
Yeah.
God, are you kidding me right now?
I know. You want trade?
I'm good for a little bit. I just want to get him out, you know?
Yeah, get him away from the bridge.
Get him away from the bridge.
I can see him.
We got leader, Andy. We got leader. We got leader. Right there. All right. Woo! Yes, sir.
At some point, I'm gonna have to get some gloves on.
All right, I'll take the phone. You get the gloves. How you like those apples? Look at that giant shark. Look at that giant shark, guys. Right down there. Big old shark. Oh, leader. Leader's right there. Watch your hands. Watch your hands. Careful, watch your hands. Oh, yes, Andy. Yes. Look at that tank. Let's freaking go, guys. We are down here in Florida. Oh, yeah. Get some of that. Oh, that's all right. He's gone. Woo. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. That's why we come down here to Florida, bring the Alumacraft. What's up, guys? Got these guys from Michigan. Look at, they're in the little Alumacraft down here, tearing it up. Bring your boat down here. Get out of the cold. Sharks, tarpon, permit, snook, everything. Andy, great job. Great job driving.
Everything eats a hot spoon.
Woo! Epic, epic, epic.
Crazy.
Right?
Okay, everything's open. Go ahead.
Go. Oh, that's a giant back there.
Did that twist? No, we're good.
Look at that giant back there. Oh my goodness.
me get on this side.
It's already going. It's already going.
Oh,
There goes your bobber.
there she goes.
The big one's got it. Yep. Take him, Andy. Take him, Andy. Here we go, guys. It's about to go on. Yep.
Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh.
I'm coming.
We gotta go, Eric. Gotta go.
To me which way I gotta go, left or right.
What? That buoy, that buoy. I think we might be screwed already. Hold on, she's underneath it. She's gone.
Gone?
I don't know.
You can go around the other way.
Oh. Oh, I'm off the buoy.
Woo! Woo!
She's going straight.
All right. Whoa!
Wow. All right, come on. Where's she? Stop, stop, stop.
Okay.
She's turning. Oh my God. No. Oh. Come this way. She decided not to go this way.
Yeah, we're going back there. Going back. Hang on, here we go.
Yeah, yeah. I don't know how we made it past that buoy.
I don't know how we made it. Here you is.
She's going right for the buoy again.
That's the biggest too.
Is the bilge on?
Village is on. It's running. Water is pumping out.
Alright. He's going right. Alright, you're fine, you're fine. I got him, I got him. Just go straight, 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 straight.
Look at that. Going straight. I'm neutral. I'm going to come help you out.
There we go.
Right here, guys. There he is. Look at that shark. Nice job, Andy! Yeah, we got him!
That's a beast.
All right, guys, it's getting windy. We are wrapping up today's shark video. On our way in, I just hit a bridge. Our batteries didn't charge last night, so we lost our trolling motor batteries. So I was just running the boat, and Andy was just kind of jigging up front with one of our jigs and plastics. I'll show you that in 1 second, but here's the fish. You can just dump them straight down, Andy, and let them straight go. You know, just kind of lift the net straight down, and we're gonna let them go. Nice little tarpon. We'll turn them upside, turn them upright. There you go. There you go. See you later, buddy. There he goes. Nice job, Andy. Nice job. Nice job. All right, guys, we're gonna wrap up this week's video. The meat down, beat down, smack down, crack down in the ocean. We are trying to travel all over the place, teaching you guys different ways to catch fish. Promise you, if you're ever gonna come down here, you make sure you try one of the HAAT spoons and one of our new HAAT jigs here. Show you real quick before we wrap up this week's video. The jig Andy was using, kind of some of the jigs we got here. That's it. And that's a wrap.